Top 10 points about how the world's richest families control the future of cars. Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of the automotive industry, exploring how the richest families, like the Fords and Porsches, are shaping the future of cars. With their immense wealth and influence, these families are steering us toward an exciting era of innovation and sustainability. Get ready to buckle up as we unveil the top 10 ways they're driving change in the automotive landscape. Let's hit the road. Number 10. The Legacy of Automotive Giants, a foundation built on innovation. The world's richest families, particularly in the automotive industry, have constructed legacies that transcend generations. Families like the Fords, Porsches, and Volkswagens have not only shaped the automobile landscape, but continue to wield significant influence over its future. Their innovative spirit has led to groundbreaking technologies that revolutionize how we travel. However, as we delve deeper into their control, questions arise. Are these legacies built on sustainable practices? Or are they risking it all for profits? The stakes are high, and the suspense surrounding the impact of these families on future mobility keeps everyone intrigued. Number 9. The Ford family pioneers of the American dream. The Ford family's profound influence in the automotive world is epitomized by Henry Ford's revolutionary assembly line. His innovations not only made cars accessible to the masses, but also set the stage for modern manufacturing practices. As the current generation of Fords continues to adapt to changing markets, they are investing heavily in electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous driving technology. But can they maintain their relevance in an increasingly competitive landscape? The race against time is on as they strive to honor their founder's legacy while navigating the thrilling yet perilous future of automotive technology. Number 8. The Porsche family balancing performance and sustainability. The Porsche family represents a unique blend of tradition and modernity, balancing their rich heritage with the pressing need for sustainability. Known for their high-performance sports cars, the family is now focusing on electric models to meet growing environmental concerns. Their iconic brand faces pressure to innovate without losing its essence. The question looms, will the Porsche legacy thrive in an electric future, or will the charm of their petrol-powered lineage fade away? The tension between preserving a legacy and embracing the future adds an exhilarating layer of suspense to their journey. Number 7. Volkswagen's dominance, a family affair. Volkswagen, one of the largest automotive manufacturers globally, is intricately tied to the Piëch and Porsche families, who have dominated its leadership for decades. The family's influence on corporate strategy is profound, directing the company's path toward electrification and global expansion. As Volkswagen aims to become a leader in the electric vehicle market, the stakes couldn't be higher. Will their ambitious plans succeed, or will they falter under the weight of their past controversies, such as the emissions scandal? The tension surrounding Volkswagen's future and the families at the helm keeps industry watchers on the edge of their seats. Number 6. The rise of electric vehicles, a new frontier. As electric vehicles surge in popularity, the richest automotive families are at the forefront of this transformative shift. Companies like Ford and Volkswagen are pouring billions into EV development, seeking to capture a growing market hungry for sustainable alternatives. However, the race for dominance is fierce, with traditional rivals and new entrants vying for consumer attention. Will these established families succeed in leading the charge into an electric future, or will they be overshadowed by emerging players? The competition is intense, and the suspense of who will emerge victorious is palpable. If you're loving the ride through the automotive revolution, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting insights into the future of cars. Number 5. Luxury brands shaping the future of automotive design. The world's richest families also control some of the most luxurious automotive brands, dictating trends in design and technology. Brands like Bentley and Rolls-Royce, backed by affluent families, are not just about opulence. They are pioneers in integrating cutting-edge technology with exceptional craftsmanship. As these brands pivot toward hybrid and electric models, the luxury segment faces a thrilling challenge. Can they maintain their status while embracing a greener future? The pressure to innovate without compromising on luxury creates an exciting tension within the industry. Number 4. The global supply chain family influence on resources. The control that these wealthy families exert extends beyond manufacturing to the global supply chain. With significant stakes in various industries, from steel to battery production, they wield immense power over the resources required for automotive production. This interconnected web of influence raises critical questions about sustainability and ethical sourcing. As demand for electric vehicles skyrockets, will these families commit to environmentally responsible practices, or will profit take precedence? The suspense surrounding their choices and the potential impact on the planet adds an extra layer of intrigue to their operations. Number 3. Autonomous vehicles, the future of mobility. The push toward autonomous vehicles represents a thrilling new frontier for the automotive industry, and the world's richest families are leading the charge. Investments in self-driving technology are soaring as companies race to develop safe and reliable autonomous vehicles. The stakes are incredibly high, as the first to market could redefine personal and public transportation. Yet, the challenges are significant, with safety concerns and regulatory hurdles looming large. Will these families succeed in pioneering a new era of mobility, or will they stumble on the path to autonomy? The suspense surrounding the development of self-driving cars keeps us all guessing. Number 2. Changing consumer preferences, the battle for relevance. As consumer preferences shift towards sustainability and technology, automotive families face a critical challenge staying relevant in a rapidly evolving market. With younger generations prioritizing eco-friendly options, the pressure mounts for these families to adapt or risk losing market share. Companies that once thrived on traditional gas-powered vehicles now find themselves at a crossroads, needing to innovate or face obsolescence. The thrill of transformation is palpable, but the fear of failure looms large. Will these families embrace change and redefine their brands, or will they cling to outdated practices? The outcome is uncertain, and the stakes are incredibly high. Number 1. The future of transportation. A legacy at stake. Ultimately, the future of cars is not just about technology. It's a matter of legacy for the world's richest families. Their decisions today will shape the automotive landscape for generations to come, affecting everything from manufacturing practices to environmental impact. As they navigate the exhilarating yet treacherous waters of innovation and sustainability, the world watches closely. Will they rise to the occasion, forging a new path that honors their legacies while embracing the future? The suspense surrounding their choices, the potential consequences, and the future of transportation keeps us all on the edge of our seats, eager to see how this captivating saga unfolds. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest videos.